Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a subroutine call inside a window. So if you go to SE71, this is the form that I have in my ticket that I need to change. So select on the page layout and click on change and double click the main window and click on the text elements. Okay, if you can see these red numbers, these are sections that you specify in your code in your print program. And if you go to your print program, like this one here, this is an include program, by the way, of my print program. And when you call the write form, you specify here the main the window. In this case, it's the main window, which is uh, which is this one here, window main. And the arrayness, this one here, is specified, depends on your requirements here, but in my requirement it's set to 530 or 531. um, so the code that I'm changing right now is in section 530. So if you scroll down, that's the section that I'm changing. And this code right here I've added for this requirement in this ticket. So if you can see here, slash colon, that is a command line over here, command line. And here you define your variable, okay, and it's initial at first. And this is how you call a subroutine: perform fget setterm in a program, and you specify the program. This and this are the same in this program, in this SE71 subscript. And if you can see here, I have two parameters, using and changing. And I'm passing the basic z term and changing this variable that I've set over there. And the z term I'll be using over here when I'm displaying the lines. If you can see here on top, you have one, two, three, four parameters. Okay, in here I only have two parameters, but it doesn't matter. When you're calling a subroutine coming from your window, it has a specific setup, the import and export parameters I'm going to show you. So over here, let's go to this program, which is the same as this, and that's a program name. And I've added this subroutine over here. If you can see here, these I only have two import parameters. I mean two parameters, one import, one export. Okay, in here I have four. In here I have two, but here I only have two. So this is a table, internal table, and the structure is ITCSY. So over here, the name and value. Okay, the name will be whatever it is that you're specifying over here, the name. Okay, and changing is the export parameter, and the value of these parameters will be stored over here. So it will be an internal table, multi-line style. And over here, what I did is just simple. I made a select statement and I'm passing that to this work area. I mean this variable LVZ term. And over here, I've declared this WZ term same as this structure. And I mentioned here the name, which is Z term over here, Z term changing. And I'm specifying the value, and I'm gonna append that into the p export. Okay, and once it reads it, the value will be placed in this variable, and I can use it later on over here. So hit back and hit save and go to form and activate. Okay, don't forget that. And if you're testing in the same DE1 in my case, but in a different client, don't forget to do SCC1. Okay. Specify your transport request number and click on this one here and start immediately. Okay. From client 10 to client 20. Then you can test. And that's all in this video. Goodbye.